Kevin. I'm the Mechanical Engineering Manager here at Xtera. My responsibility is for the physical design of our subsea products, for example, repeaters, branching units and OADMs. I've worked in the subsea telecoms industry for 30 years, of which about 20 has been here at Xtera. So back in 2011, we set out to design a new, fully featured but small form factor repeater. And because we weren't constrained by any legacy products, we could really innovate from the start. And although the product was new for Xtera, we could draw on the experience of a small but very talented group of engineers, each with maybe 20 or 30 plus years experience in the industry. And it was those people, those skills, and their contacts and partners within the wider subsea community that really was instrumental in the success of the project. While we were innovating, there's some prerequisites in the industry that are obviously very important and non-negotiable, and those are reliability, quality and performance. We've always got the 25-year lifetime, which is a bit of an industry standard in mind, and that really sets the scene of what we do day to day. We're always obsessing about the details of what we've designed and whether it meets the customer requirements. How to make the products manufacturable, and when we've done that, how to make sure they're built and tested correctly. So the amplifier is very compact and it uses Raman technology to enable us to offer high bandwidth, long span systems. So the amps are mounted in a modular internal unit structure that allows the repeater to be configured to how the customer wants it. And that internal structure is relatively straightforward to put into a sea case and seal for the extreme pressures that we see at 8,000 metres water depth. The housing's made of titanium and the cable terminations are largely made of titanium as well, and we've chosen that material not just for its corrosion resistance and its high strength, but also because it's lightweight, and that means that the parts and the product itself are easily handleable through their manufacture, through assembly and also through installation. Before the repeaters hit the water, they're always rigorously tested for function and also mechanical resilience for the harsh environment in which they're going to be placed. And those are tests such as tension testing, bend testing, pressure, high voltage, and some environmental tests such as temperature cycling and shock and vibration. On this project, we also performed 2 sea trials, a shallow water and a deep water sea trial as well, before we went to production. And pleased to say that the first project that we put into operation has now been in the water functioning perfectly for 10 years. So in terms of cable, we're fully qualified with 2 European cable suppliers, and we have a third for special applications in shallow water with an Asian supplier. We've got repeaters that are currently installed in shallow water and also down to 8 kilometres, and we have branching units that are in water approaching 6 kilometres as well. And we're really offering products that are at the forefront of anything that the industry can provide.